Good morning, children. This is your GSC book, Standard 4. We will continue our online classes. Chapter 4, Creepy Crawlies. We will continue our Chapter 4, Part 2, Crawl and Slide. Tiny brown long creatures with many legs are called centipedes. Centipedes may have up to 20 or 30 pairs of legs. They eat insects and other creepy crawlies. This is centipede. The centipede is brown color, long creatures with many legs, and 20 or 30 pairs of legs it has, and it eats insects and other creepy crawlies. This slimy creature with a shell on its back is a snail. It curls up into this hard shell, which is also its home. The shell protects it from its enemies. They generally stay in damp places, such as under leaves and stones. They slide on their slimy bellies. A snail is a slimy creature with a shell on its back. Look at the picture. It crawls up into this hard shell, which is also its home. This shell is snail's home, and the shell protects it from its enemy. And generally, it stays damp places and under leaves and stones, and it slides on their slimy bellies. Social insects. Social insects are insects that live in colonies. They usually have a queen, who is the most important being in the colony. The queen is the only one that lays eggs, and that makes her very important indeed. Bees, wasps, and ants are the most well known among social insects. Social insects. Social insects are the insects that live in colonies, and they usually have a queen, who is the most important being in the colony. And queen is the only one that lay all the eggs. And bees, wasps, and ants are the most well known among the insects. Bees. Honey bees make honey and build hives. Nearly 50 to 80,000 bees live together. Only one queen bee lays all the eggs. Honeybees are greatly valued for their honey. Many people make a living out of selling this honey. Honeybees make honey and they build beehives. And nearly 50 to 80,000 bees live together. And only one queen bee lays all the eggs. And honeybee is greatly valued for their honey. And many people make a living out of selling. They sell their honey. They sell their honey. Wasps. Wasps are yellow in color. They eat wood and make paper-like nests using their saliva mixed in wood paste. They lay their eggs in this nest. Adult wasps feed on the nectar of flowers. These wasps are yellow in color and they eat wood and make paper-like nest using their saliva mixed in wood paste, and they lay eggs in their nest, and adult wasps feed on their nectar of flowers. Ants. Ants are different from flying insects like bees, and yet they behave in a similar way. We only see worker ants hurrying around to gather food for the underground nest. Ants work very hard to store food for winter and to feed the larvae in their nest. Ants are different from flying insects like bee, wasps, okay, and yet they behave in similar way. We only see worker ants. They are hurrying around to gather food, and ants work hard to store food for winter and they feed the larvae in their nest. Insects seen at night. At night, we see crickets and cockroaches. Crickets are closely related to grasshoppers. They make a sharp chirrup sound. At night, we see crickets and cockroaches. And crickets are closely related to grasshoppers. They make chirrup sound. If we don't keep food covered, cockroaches may get into food containers. Since they also travel inside drains, they can cause disease. If we will not cover our food, cockroaches may get into food container and they travel inside drains. They may cause disease. Sucking bloods. Mosquito, leeches and bedbugs suck blood to survive. Very small creatures like lice and dog takes also suck blood to survive. To keep them away from us and our pets, we should make sure that we bath ourselves and our pet regularly. Flea powders and tick powders help to keep fleas and ticks away from dogs. Sucking bloods. These mosquito, leeches and bedbugs, they suck blood to survive. Very small creatures like lice and dog ticks also suck blood to survive. And to keep them away from us, we should take bath our pets and make sure that our pets are clean. Flea powders and tick powders help to keep fleas and ticks away from dogs.